Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome to Alaska Frontier Gunsmith and Taxidermy. Today we're going to talk about the AR style rifle and clearing this rifle. We're going to use what the military calls sports, which simply stands for slap the magazine, pull the charging handle, observe the chamber, release the charging handle, tap the forward assist, and squeeze the trigger. Now, first off, let's cover the fact that for all the people out there that have these new ARs that don't have the forward assist, you either skip this and hope it works or get one with the forward assist. Personally, I like it. So very simply, this is a AR-15. This is a true Armalite rifle. It's in the old style, as you can tell, M2. It is a very accurate rifle. The only thing that's been changed on this rifle is the fact that I have a aftermarket barrel with the M2 sights up here. Other than that, it's original. So, let's go ahead and begin. So obviously there is an empty magazine here. Let's start with that. We're going to load this magazine in here for simple demonstration purposes. So, we're going to say at this point this rifle has malfunctioned and did not fire for whatever reason. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to slap the magazine to make sure it's fully seated. We're going to pull the charging handle to the rear. We're going to observe the chamber to make sure that whatever round was in there has been cleared. We're going to release the charging handle, which if it had a round in there would fall forward. We're going to release the charging handle. We're going to tap the forward assist here, and then we're going to point it and squeeze the trigger. Now, because we're following the safety rules, I'm not sticking my finger into the trigger housing here, but this is sports. Again, and this will be at a faster speed because you want to build your muscle memory. So again, it's slap, pull, observe, release, tap, and squeeze. And like I said, continue to practice this, be able to clear your chamber faster, and unfortunately get back in the fight if you need it, or in this case, you know, maybe get that animal that you were trying to shoot with your AR hunting rifle. So thank you for watching this. Hopefully it was informative. There again, this is more for the beginners, not you experienced shooters. Give us a like and subscribe to Alaska Frontier Gunsmith and Taxidermy. Have a wonderful day, guys. See ya. God bless America.